This one's pretty much for me and Brett. I have a problem. There's a fault. I've tried to use a non-Dallas sensor program. So I've come up here. Sorry about that. Come down and I've picked micro, because the other one wasn't working. So do I pick that one or do I pick the mega one here? So that's the question. That's one question. So if I do pick that, and then I pick that one, and then I try to compile. But first have a look at this. I did press the button on the app mega. I had it out and I pressed it, but it's got a program on it at the moment, or I thought it did, because it got up to that point there, and then it came up where they can't talk to it, and I'm getting that on the screen. So I don't know what's going on. So maybe I'm confused, maybe I'm not working this out right, or something's happening that I don't know. But if you can give me some sort of direction, it'd be great. Anyway, that's it from me. This is mainly fault finding. So yeah, thanks, bye.